he would be deported. That these are his words.
Counsel.
I'm sorry.
Relevance.
I apologize.
Objection, Your Honor.
If anyone asks a question. What's the objection?
Relevance.
Now, you overrule this for relevance. Go ahead. Ask your question.
It's disease ridden. It's a, excuse my French, a shithole.
Irrelevant.
Objection, no, overruled.
What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Attorney Reacts. My name is Attorney Ted, and today we're going to be reacting to another viral video that's got everybody talking, and it's called Lead Detective Admits He Threatened Potential Witness and YNW Melly Double Trial Case. Let's get it going.
That conversation was not specific to the murder. That was specific.
Did you, in fact, threaten to have him be federally indicted? Yes or no?
Yes, he does. It does. Yes.
Gun sake. Did you, in fact, tell him that he would not see his kids for a couple of years?
Possibly.
So let's stop right here. What the defense attorney here, what Melly's defense attorney is trying to do is to show that his interrogation for potentially double murder here, I don't know much about this trial or this case in particular, was in fact induced, and he was threatened to do that for whatever he said. So this is the type of testimony that he is trying to elicit here of the detective to persuade a jury here that this testimony is not credible and therefore should not be used as probative value to convict him here. So let's see what else happens.
May I approach? Yes, sir.
So what he's got here, what the attorney has here is a transcript of, looks like the police interrogation between the detective and Melly here. So this right here, this is not hearsay, this is not what anybody heard, this is a transcript that is authenticated, and now he's going up there to the stand to show him, to try to refresh his memory of what he said and get him to let him know, hey, you were being a little unlawful here and trying to threaten and persuade him to get the conclusion that you wanted here. All right, detective?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Did you, in fact, threaten Jameson Francois?
Same answer, sir. He lies, that line to us, put it all in the rest.
Did you, in fact, tell him he would be deported to Haiti?
Yes.
Did you, in fact, tell him that despite the fact that he has lived in this country since he's been 5 years old, he would be deported to these are his words. I'm sorry. I apologize.
So the prosecutors here objected to relevance as well as leading the witness, but I don't know why you would object to leading if this is an adverse witness, because you are allowed to put a leading question on a witness that is not on your direct or that is considered hostile, which what I would think here at least.
Did you, as a trained investigator, threaten Jameson Francois to be deported to Haiti, even though he's been in this country since 5 years?
Yes, sir.
Did you, in fact, threaten that he would not get fed and get any medicine in the Haitian jails?
I don't know about that.
All right, bring the transcript up. Let's point him out.
Threatening a witness is do you think threatening a witness who tells you something that you don't like really gets to the truth?
See, that lawyer, the defense attorney, knew that there was going to be an objection to that question, that it would be sustained, but he doesn't care because all he has to do is say the question to get the jury to be thinking about what the answer is. Sometimes just getting the question out there in front of the jury is all you really need. You don't even need the answer sometimes, which is exactly what he was doing there.
When you questioned Jameson Francois, were you alone, or did you bring the immigration officers with you?
We were at the Chrome Detention Center, so of course with the immigration officer coming in.
Jameson Francois. Did you in fact tell him that the jails are overcrowded and referring to Haiti? It's disease-ridden, it's a, excuse my French, a shithole. I underline it so you can see. Oh.
This guy's a good litigator. I like him. It's all a show. I feel like 80% of being a great litigator is just the showman that you are in court, to be honest, and this guy's pretty good. Nothing he does is wasted movement. Nothing that he says is wasted. It's all calculated exactly how he wants it to be.
I apologize. Have you ever heard keep to an interview to get to the truth is you catch more with honey rather than vinegar?
Yes, sir.
Would you consider these threats that you gave to these various witnesses? You obviously don't follow that technique. Let me show you the list of suspects that we talked about and see if this is true and correct. May I approach?
Look at this guy's face. Look at this guy's face. This guy is the ultimate trial lawyer right here. He is putting on the king show, trying to make it seem like these guys working for the state are a bunch of idiots. Look at this. So when you're proffering something to the witness here that is not agreed upon previously, it has to be shown to opposing party, which the prosecution here, which is what the judge is making them do, and exactly what's happening. Those who master the rules of evidence usually win. This guy seems like a pro. But if he's a defense attorney for a rich rapper and a double murder trial, he's probably one of the best.
Suspects we talked about, you indicated the suspects in this case.
Yes, sir.
Would you sign it for me? And dated today's date? And does that document exhibit C, defendant C, fairly and accurately?
Yes, sir.
It does. It lists all the names we talked about, right?
Yes, sir.
All the names involved. this case.
Yes.
I move it in evidence.
So at the end of the day, what Melly's attorney was trying to do here was to show the jury that this guy was pressuring him into either giving a confession or eliciting false information by tactics of fear and deception by saying he was going to be deported, etc. He tried to get this signed list moved into evidence. There was an objection to that. It was sustained, but it didn't matter because even though it's not officially into evidence, it's still in the jury's minds. And that's exactly what an excellent litigator wants to do, and that's exactly what this guy is. So thanks for hanging around while I react to this video. We're going to have to see what happens at the duration of this trial and see if he's convicted. Until next time, check me out on my socials and Attorney Ted and my other videos and everything that's going on in Attorney Reacts with the other great attorneys that we got going on here. So until next time, see you later.
Big verdict.